Crumbs? Pet hair? Dust? Gone. Meet the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster. The handheld vacuum that slays mess. Say goodbye to weak vacuums that barely pick up a crumb. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus boasts 4x more suction power than its predecessors, obliterating dust, dirt, and even stubborn pet hair in seconds. Whether it's cleaning car seats, stairs, or that never-ending trail of snack crumbs, this cordless powerhouse is up for the job. With 2 speeds and a PowerBoost button, you can summon extra suction at will, because sometimes, your messes need that extra punch. Ever tried vacuuming between couch cushions or under car seats, only to realize your vacuum's nozzle is too short? Not anymore. This dustbuster comes with an extra-long crevice tool, letting you reach deep into corners, under furniture, and high shelves with zero struggle. That means less time disassembling furniture just to clean up a few dust bunnies. More reach, less effort, total win. Nobody likes emptying a vacuum every 5 minutes. That's why this bad boy has a 750 ml XL dustbin, holding more dirt than ever before. Plus, the one-touch easy empty system keeps your hands clean. Just push a button, and the dust is gone. No touching, no mess, just a quick and hygienic cleanup. Say hello to effortless maintenance and goodbye to dust-covered fingers. Forget dragging around a clunky, corded vacuum. This dustbuster is cordless, ultralight, only 2.4 pounds, and built for on-the-go cleaning. The longer-lasting lithium-ion battery delivers 125% more runtime, meaning you can clean multiple rooms or even your car without stopping to recharge. Whether you're tackling quick cleanups or deep cleans, this vacuum stays powered up when you need it most. BLACK+DECKER is known for durable, high-performance appliances, and this dustbuster is no exception. It's bagless, low-maintenance, and comes with replaceable filters that keep it running like new. From dust to pet hair to food spills, this vacuum handles it all, without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a powerful, convenient, and affordable handheld vacuum, this is the one to get. Ready to say goodbye to mess? Click Add to Cart and let the cleaning begin.